Hello guys, how are you? This side again, आसिफ एलेक्स। हाय दोस्तों, कैसे हो सब लोग? दोबारा आसिफ एलेक्स बात करते हैं। तो लास्ट वीडियो में मैं आपका बोला कि मैं आपका बार्बर प्रोफेशनल किट्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूँ। लास्ट टाइम तुम्हें पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन दे दिया और टुडे में एक न्यू जो मैं किट में अंदर क्या सामान रखते हो क्या नहीं रखते हो ये आप लोग को दिखा रहा हूँ। Okay guys, it's about the last video, is a continue that video, it's my kit. Today I want to show you what I'm putting in this kit and a good barber, what they have, okay? What trimmer they use, what clipper they use, what scissor, what comb, what brush. Now I want to show you. And there guys, please don't forget to down the subscribe button and also please like, comment also if you have any idea, please share with me. And also please subscribe कर दीजिए, like भी कर दो, कुछ comment अगर कोई idea है एक idea दे। और thank you. Let's go for opening, for showing all of this my baby. Okay guys, अब opening my wow. My beard fade brush is also fade brush. Styling comb, my razor comb is still comb for fade comb, tail comb, my two golden scissor. Oh my god, I love this. And thinning scissor, this is my always I'm using in professional. This is that scissor. And also for fading comb, styling, my styling brush is also very nice, very soft. It's my section clip guys. Then it's my professional numbers. Its wall number is and this number I have guys. Yes, I show you guys. My Andres clipper is wall clipper. Yeah, I like the wall brand. It's my wall magic clipper, and this on my baby. I love this one. Babyliss Pro is zero trimmer, and this one is my favorite senior clipper from Wall. और guys, ये भी मेरा shaver है. This is my shaver. Yes guys, I have one more shaver from Wall. It's also nice. Okay guys, this is my kit. I give you all information about this. And there guys, if you have any question you can ask in the comments and type, and I will for sure I will make a video. If you want I will answer the question. And there is my bag. Finally, now you got it, a good barber. What they have a like this only, nothing more. Okay there guys, please watch video until the last. Like, subscribe and comment also. If you like my video much, you can share with your friend also. Thank you so much guys. See you.